Ever wonder how many hidden toxins lurk in your kitchen, silently affecting your health? The truth is, our kitchens are often home to a wide array of potential toxins that we may not even be aware of. Take a moment to think about the plastic containers you use to store leftovers, the non-stick pans you rely on for your favorite recipes, and the chemical cleaners that promise to keep your surfaces sparkling. While they may seem harmless and efficient, they can actually pose a significant health risk. Plastic containers, for instance, often contain harmful chemicals like BPA and phthalates that can leach into your food, especially when heated. Non-stick cookware, on the other hand, can release toxic fumes when overheated. And let's not forget the array of harsh chemicals found in many cleaning products, which can contaminate your food preparation areas. Unsettling, isn't it? But don't worry, there are practical steps you can take towards a low-tox kitchen. Creating a low-tox kitchen is simpler than you might think. It's all about making conscious choices that favor health and sustainability. Let's delve into some practical tips. First off, consider your storage solutions. Many of us are guilty of using plastic containers for everything from leftovers to packed lunches. But did you know that some plastics can leach toxins into your food, especially when heated? Instead, opt for glass or stainless steel containers. They're safer, reusable, and they won't taint your food with any unpleasant flavors. Next, let's talk about cookware. Non-stick pans might be convenient, but they often contain harmful chemicals that can end up in your meals. Instead, go for cast iron or stainless steel pans. Cast iron pans are durable, naturally non-stick when seasoned, and even add a dose of healthy iron to your dishes. Stainless steel pans, on the other hand, are lightweight, easy to clean, and resistant to rust and corrosion. Now, onto cleaning products. It's no secret that many conventional cleaners are filled with harsh chemicals. But there's good news. You can make your own natural cleaners using ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. It's not only better for your health, but also kinder to the environment. And let's not forget about the food itself. Wherever possible, choose organic. Organic food is grown without synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, meaning it's less likely to carry harmful residues. Plus, it's often fresher and richer in nutrients. Finally, consider investing in a good water filter. Tap water can contain a range of contaminants from heavy metals to chlorine. A water filter can help to remove these, providing you with cleaner, tastier water. With these simple swaps, you're already well on your way to a healthier, low-tox kitchen. Let's quickly recap the key steps towards a low-tox kitchen. First and foremost, consider swapping out your plastic containers for glass or stainless steel ones. Not only are they more durable, but they also won't leach harmful chemicals into your food. Next, let's talk about cookware. It's time to say goodbye to non-stick pans that may release toxins when overheated, and hello to safer alternatives like cast iron or ceramic. Don't forget about your cleaning supplies. Trade in those harsh chemical cleaners for natural alternatives. Vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils can work wonders. Also, consider opting for organic food when you can. They're grown without synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, which is not only better for your health, but for the environment too. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of clean water. Consider using a water filter to remove potential contaminants. Remember, every small change makes a big difference. Here's to a healthier, toxin-free kitchen.